Hello everyone, welcome to Mission IAS. Today we are going to see another important topic which is very important for your prelims as well as your mains. That is Rafale jet fighter by Vishnu IAS team. We are going to discuss each and everything about Rafale jet fighter. Let's start up with the news. Okay, so the five Rafale jet fighter jets that landed in Ambala. Okay, this is actually this will take Indian Air Force squadron strength to 31. On September 2016, there was an agreement signed between India and France for supplying 36 Rafale fighter jets on flying condition. So, on behalf of that condition, the five Rafale fighter jets have arrived in our country on Wednesday. Okay, so when all the 36 Rafale jets are delivered to our country by 2022, this will be taken to the 32 squadrons, and this will still come under the sanctioned strength of 42 squadrons. Okay, and this multi-role fighter jets would revolutionize the Indian Air Force. So the first five Rafales was being bought from France in a multi-billion-dollar deal. Okay, and this on this arrival, our defense minister used this the arrival of this Rafales to launch an warning to the neighboring China over the territorial tensions. Okay, and he said all the futures about the Rafale fighter jets. Okay, so this is going to revolutionize the Indian Air Force IAF, and this was ordered in 2016, and there will be either one seater or two seater versions, and it can be armed with air to air or air to ground anti-ship missiles as well as 30 cannon. Okay, so this according to the this was given this information, that is how this can be armed. This data is given by the manufacturer of these Rafale fighter jets, Dassault Aviation. Okay, so they said this was ordered in 2016, and this came in either one seater or two seater versions, and it can be armed with either air to air or air to ground and anti-ship missiles as well as a 30 cannon. And they said that this also comes with the Rafale's flight control system. It includes the ability for it to fly on autopilot in terrain following mode in any weather condition. In all the weather conditions, this will be able to this fighter jets will be able to fly on autopilot in a terrain following mode. Okay, so this aircraft is very good in the flying performance. Okay, so the arrival of the jets in India has come about nearly 6 weeks after Indian troops fought with Chinese soldiers along the line of control. So let's see the Rafale specification. Okay, so when you see the Rafales, this is how the Rafale will look, and let's see the specifications. So the maximum takeoff weight is 24.5 tons, and height is 5.30 meter, and external load is 9.5 tons, and wingspan is 10.90 m, and fuel, it is having both internal and external fuels. One internal fuel, this can take up to 4.7 tons, and the external fuel can take up to 6.7 tons, and length of this is nearly 15.30 meter, and ferry range is 3700 kilometer, and landing ground run is 1500 feet, 450 meter. Okay, and service ceiling is 50,000 feet. So overall empty weight is 10 tons, empty weight. Okay, and the top speed of this is 1.8 Mach at high altitude. Okay, so this picture gives a clear specifications. So these are the basic Rafale specifications which I've described in the previous slide. Same thing. Okay, let's see the features of Rafale jet fighters. Okay, so the aircraft is in very good flying performance, and its weapons, radar, and other sensors and the electronic warfare capabilities are among the best in the world. So this Rafale's arrival will take India's Air Force, and it will make India's Air Force much stronger. The state-of-art 4.5 generation Rafale jet, it can reach almost double the speed of sound with a top speed of 1.8 Mach. Okay, so that is it can reach up to the top speed of 1.8 Mach. Okay, it's double the speed of sound. And the 190 kg missile, this 190 kg missile, it has a beyond visual range over 100 kilometer, traveling at the top speed of 4 Mach. So this will enable it to attack the target at a longer distance also. Okay, so with its multi-role capabilities, including the electronic warfare, air defense, ground support, and in-depth strikes, the Rafale lends a superiority to the Air Force, Indian Air Force. Okay, so it is having multi-role capabilities. Okay, and it is including the electronic warfare, air defense is there, ground support is there, and in-depth strikes is there. So it lends a air superiority to the Indian Air Force. J-20 Chengdu jets versus Rafale fighter jet. Okay, when you compare these both, China's J-20 Chengdu jets are called the 5th generation combat jets compared to the 4.5 generation Rafale. Okay, the J-20 have no actual combat experience. So when you compare with the China's J-20 and our Rafale jet, this J-20 is called as the 5th generation combat jets, and when it is compared to the Rafale, the J-20 has no actual combat experience, but the Rafale has a proven combat experience. It has been used by the French Air Force for their missions. Okay, so the Rafale is having the combat experience, okay, which is proven, having used in the French Air Force for its missions in Afghanistan, Libya, and Mali, and it has also been used for missions in Central African Republic, Iraq, and Syria. Okay, and it can carry more fuel and weapons than J-20. Okay, when you compare this Rafale is far superior because it can able to carry more fuel and weapons than J-20. And even though this J-20 is a 5th generation combat jets, but when you compare it with our 4.5 generation Rafale, the J-20 has no actual combat experience, whereas the Rafale do have a combat proven experience. Okay, so what the experts are saying is, Rafale jets, when compared to the China, to what China could bear in any aerial conflict, including these China's new J-20 stealth fighters, the Rafale is not a stealth jet, but it is having a low profile, and so that it is not easy to detect on a radar. Okay, so it is not easy to detect Rafale on a radar. How the two aircraft may face off in open debate is, the Rafale may have one distinct advantage is Rafale is having the combat experience where J-20 do not have it. Okay, and Rafale. So when compared to F-16 jets of Pakistan, okay, the Rafale, which is a superior one. Okay, the jets have come with one of the most advanced Meteor air-to-air missile. Okay, so this 190 kilogram missile has a beyond visual range of over 100 kilometer, traveling at a top speed of Mach 14. Okay, so it is having a beyond visual range of over 100 kilometer with the top speed. Okay, which makes it far superior than the F-16 jets of Pakistan. And F-16 jets used by Pakistan carry the Amra missile, which has BVR of only 75 kilometer. But when you see this Rafale, we are having the BVR of over, it's not below, it is beyond that. Okay, it's over 100 kilometer with the top speed. So when if India had this capability on a day during the aerial encounter with Pakistan last year, the assumption is this Rafale would have destroyed many Pakistani F-16 jets. Okay, so it is far better than F-16 jets of Pakistan. So next, when you see the deadliest fighter jet, okay, so the ability to strike air-to-air targets of from up to 150 kilometer away and safely hit land targets of 300 kilometer within enemy territory make India's Rafale some of the deadliest fighter jets flying in the world. Okay, so very few deadliest fighter jets are available in the world, and now this India's Rafale have become one of the deadliest fighter jets because it has the ability to target an air to air target of about 150 kilometer away. Okay, so in air, okay, this is air to air target which is at the distance of 150 kilometer away. Also in the Rafale jets are able to hit the target, and it can safely hit the target 300 kilometer within the enemy target, and making it as the deadliest fighter jets flying in the world. And known for this superior air superiority and its precision strikes, okay, the ability to strike the targets. This Rafales are India's first major acquisition of the fighter planes in 23 years, okay, after India imported Sukhoi jets from Russia, okay, after 23 years. This is the first major acquisition fighter planes. Okay, so as we know, first 5 Rafales was been bought, okay, it was landed on Wednesday, okay, and we are expecting to get the remaining by 2022. So the aircraft are capable of carrying a range of potent weapons. So Rafale jets are very powerful, okay, it will be carrying the mainstay of the weapons package, okay, so that is it. European missile maker MBDA's Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile, okay, this will carry, okay, so the mainstay weapons package in the Rafale jets are, we'll see everything in detail about the Meteor, Scalp, Mica, okay. So the mainstay weapons in the package of the Rafale jets are European missile maker MBDA's Meteor Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile and Scalp cruising missile and Mica weapon system. So these will be there in the Rafale jets. Let's see about Meteor. So Meteor is the next generation of BVR air-to-air missile designed to revolutionize the air-to-air combat. Okay, this has been designed to revolutionize for attacking, for giving the air-to-air combat, okay, air-to-air attack. So the weapon has been developed by MBDA mainly for combat, okay, to combat the threats facing UK, Germany, Italy, France, Spain and Sweden. This is the picture of Meteor, okay. And this Meteor is powered by unique rocket ramjet motor. Okay, so this rocket ramjet motor, it will give the more engine power for much longer than any other missile. Okay, these are from the expert side. Okay, the experts have told that this Meteor is actually powered with a unique rocket ramjet motor, which is more which gives you more engine power, okay, which will make it to stay for long, okay, for much longer than any other missile. Okay, and what is so special in this Meteor is this Meteor missile can target enemy aircraft which is nearly 150 kilometer away. Okay, if enemy is even 150 kilometer away also, this Meteor missile can able to target the enemy, and it can destroy the enemy aircraft before actually they get to know that there is an Indian aircraft on the other side. Okay, that to get when they get too close to Indian aircraft, before they are getting close to the Indian aircraft to attack Indian aircraft, before that itself we can able to detect it when it is a 150 kilometer away itself, we can detect it and we can hit the target. Okay, so if this kind of Meteor missile jet fighters have been with India earlier, so this capability for a day during the aerial encounter with the Pakistan last year. So their experts are saying that many Pakistani F-16s would have been destroyed by India when India had this earlier. Okay, so before the enemies are getting closer to Indian aircraft, we will be able to destroy the enemy aircraft very soon. Okay, this is a speciality of Meteor. And this Rafale jet fighters is equipped with the Scalp cruise missile. So what is the Scalp cruise missile is? This can hit a target of nearly 300 kilometer away. So that is which it means that Indian Air Force Rafale taking off from Ambala will be able to launch one of these weapons from well within Indian airspace to hit the target deep inside China. Okay, that is when now this Rafale jet fighters are there in Ambala, Hyderabad, right? So Indian Air Force will be able to launch one of its weapon. Okay, when it is having many weapons, right? So one of these weapons, Indian Air Force will be able to launch one of these weapons within Indian airspace itself. So we can launch it. Okay, we can launch it in the Indian Air Force to hit a target deep inside China. Okay, so from our place itself we can able to hit the target in China. Okay, that is, this missile can hit the targets 300 kilometer away. So this is a greater one, right? So this second weapon is also very powerful, which is equipped in the Rafale. And third one is the Mica. Okay, so the third weapon is called the Mica missile system. So the Mica air-to-air missile on the Rafale is for both close quarter dogfights and for BVR. Okay, that is, it comes with a radar seeker. Okay, so it comes with the infrared seeker. It is having both. Radar seeker is also there and infrared seeker is also there. And the reason what makes it more advanced than others is it can be fired for the short range, 2-year long range, as well as right up to 100 kilometer. Okay, so it comes with infrared seeker. Okay, and it is having a radar seeker, and it is an air-to-air missile. Mica is a very versatile air-to-air missile. It comes with a radar seeker and it is having an infrared seeker. And what is very advanced in this is it can be fired for the short range, 2-year long range, as well right up to 100 kilometer. Okay, so this is the picture of Mica. Okay, so it is already it's already in a service with Indian Air Force in Mirages, and it is a primary weapon system of Rafales as well. Already we are having this Mica, but it forms a primary weapon of Rafales as well. Okay, so this is all about Mica. Next is Hammer and Spectra. We are going to see about Hammer and Spectra. Indian Air Force is procuring the new generation medium range modular air to ground weapon system, so which is called Hammer, to integrate with the Rafale jets. So this Hammer is highly agile modular munition extended range. Okay, it is a precision guided missile developed by French defense major Safran. So the missile was originally designed and manufactured for the French Air Force and Navy. Actually, it is originally this was designed and manufactured for the French Air Force and Navy. Okay, this Hammer is a precision guided missile which is developed by the French defense major Safran. Okay, so it is a new generation medium range modular air to ground weapon. Okay, air to ground weapon, you have to remember which one is for which. Okay, this is air to ground weapon. Okay, and apart from this, apart from weapons, Rafale is having Spectra. Okay, what is the Spectra is? Rafale also fly with Spectra. Okay, it's a widely considered the world's most advanced fighter based electronic warfare suit. Okay, it is a system which is a cornerstone for the Rafale survivability against a host of the latest threats. So that is this Rafales is, apart from the weapons, Rafales is having Spectra. This is considered as the world's advanced fighter based electronic warfare suit. This is an electronic warfare suit. Okay, So this will provide the servability against the host of the latest threats. So that is against the latest threats, this will help in the servability. Okay, so it's an electronic warfare suit. So this Spectra is designed to detect threats, and it provides a multispectral threat warning capability. Okay, and this by detecting the threats at a longer range, this will allow the pilot to instantly select the best suited defensive measures. So when you see about the 36 aircraft, the delivery of all 36 aircraft as a part of the deal is set to be completed on schedule by end of 2020. So by end of 2021, we will be receiving all the 36 aircraft as per the deal, and each aircraft is having 14 storage stations of weapons. So this jet has come with one of the most advanced weapons. Okay, so this makes it as a deadliest weapon. And you should know about the keyword golden arrows. What is this golden arrows? Is the fleet of the 5 aircraft, which is comprising of 3 single seaters and 2 twin seaters. Okay, in the 5 aircraft, 3 are single seater aircraft and 2 are twin seater aircrafts. Okay, and are being inducted into the Indian Air Force as a part of its Ambala based number 17 squadron. So this is also known as the golden arrows. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like button, share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel to get info about the daily current affairs. Thank you.